Executives and sales leaders, my name is Gary Braun. I'm with Pivotal Advisors, and I want to invite you to our Executive Masterclass event that we're doing on Friday, May 13th from 9 to 11, virtual event. And I'm going to be doing it with my friend, Jennifer Zick from Authentic Brand. And Jennifer and I have both witnessed similar challenges with small businesses. Jennifer from the marketing side, myself with the sales side. And here's the problem. Most small businesses want to grow. They'll have aspirations. I'm going to double in 5 years. I'm going to grow this much. I'm going to dominate my market. And they have these great aspirations and goals. The issue is this: the approach is off. We have trial and error approaches. Jennifer likes to call it random acts of marketing. We try SEO for a while. Well, that didn't work. We try Google Ads. We try an email campaign. We just randomly try stuff to see if it works. That doesn't work. On the sales side, we suffer for the same thing. We call it, the flavor of the day. We try a training, it didn't work. We tried this, it didn't work. Or we call it squirrel. We got different directions that we want to go after all the time, and we constantly change gears. That's not how you grow. That's not how you get great execution. So come to our event, learn how to get a much more disciplined and intentional approach to sales and marketing. We're going to be covering both sides. How do I keep that funnel full and have a constant process for sales and marketing and keep those two disciplines aligned? Again, May 13th, Friday, May 13th from 9 to 11. Go to pivotalitadvisors.com, click on our resources tab and go down to events, and you'll be able to register it there. And we hope to see you there.